Meet the Kitschy Pizza Cutter Wheel, the pizza slicer that revolutionized the way we cut our pizza. It has a sharp blade that ensures clean slices, even for the crispiest pizzas. Its integrated, comfortable non-slip handle fits right into the palm of your hand. Unlike traditional pizza cutters, it doesn't let grease or toppings get in the way of the perfect cut. It has a brilliant design that protects your hands from cuts and allows to safely store it when you're done. Now that's a rocker! Did I mention it's really handy? The sleek design allows you to firmly grip and slice with ease. The coolest thing about it is that it cuts more than just pizza. You can use it for greens, pita, herbs, pasta, pizza, veggies, onions.
What?
Have it your way with the Kitschy Pizza Cutter. Plus, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Thoughtfully engineered from the blade to its handle, this little pizza cutter covers all the bases, and we will outslice and outlast cheaper models. Cut pizza like a pro with the Kitschy Pizza Cutter Wheel.
Looking for an easy, more economical, and faster way of preserving your fresh food or ingredients? If yes, no worries. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is perfect for you. Introducing the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, an innovative solution to food preservation. Designed with a fully automatic simple electric plug with its control center placed on the top panel and soft touch digital buttons along the LED indicator lights. Specifically designed to provide the best of sealing possible based on the type of food you want to seal. You can choose the dry indication for solid food items and the moist indication for poached, simmered, or steamed food. For the best of perfect sealing, all you need to do is enclose your food material you want to seal. Place it carefully in the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, press firmly to join the two edges together. Press the Vacuum Seal button and wait for a couple of minutes to get sealed. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer has been laboratory tested and proven to preserve food up to 5 times longer than zipper baggies and other containers. No better way of preserving your food other than the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer. Order for your NutriChef Vacuum Sealer today at an affordable price.